Greetings, parents and family of students in Johnsburg Junior High. My name is Jeff Flaxman, and I am the technology teacher here for the exploratory classes. Some information about me, since I'll be your student's teacher. This is my 11th year teaching. I've taught English, I've taught social studies, and now I'm teaching technology. I grew up in the McHenry County area, but did not go to Johnsburg schools. I went to McHenry schools. I have a bachelor's degree in history education and a master's degree in technology from Concordia University. Got wife, 2 kids, figuring out the e-learning and school thing myself as my daughter just started kindergarten this year. So it may not be the same as junior high, but I have an idea a lot of the frustrations and struggles everyone's experiencing trying to navigate this new world. I'm going to do a real quick walkthrough of what my website is, where you'll find all the material and what we'll be working on this year. The basic overview is really simple. In our technology class, it's a lot of project-based learning where the kids will get presented with a skill. They will then develop that skill and work on it independently or with groups, and I'll give feedback where necessary. Beyond that, they will get a basics in coding, information, some 3D design and modeling, as well as some of your STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics instruction will also be present there. We will continue to work on building our typing skills in this class and make them more proficient typing students. So the first place to go when you need any help or information in my class is the classroom website. When you get to the website, the first thing we have are 3 links for assignments. You just click the grade level and it shows the assignment we're working on that day. Next, I have some student resources here that they will go to and use quite a bit, as well as family electronic resources. The links on website, besides our assignment updates, are also to all of the software tools we will use in class. The first one here on the left is Fuse Studio. Fuse Studio is a STEM and STEAM-based curriculum that we subscribe to. It's manufactured out of Northwestern University and taught in schools around the area, including Crystal Lake. But the big push in those is getting kids used to exploring and learning by that exploration themselves. You can click the link here to take you to the main site, but this will have some of the basics of 3D design, some basics of block coding, as well as some architecture work there where the instructions are all laid out in a video format for the kids, but then it opens up where they get to tinker around, explore, and experiment with the materials themselves. Our in-person instruction does include some more hands-on things, working with basic electronics, but in a remote environment it is all computer-based. Our next one is our coding program outside of Fuse, which is done through Google. This coding is done through an application called CS First, which is Computer Science First, and teaches kids the basics of computer science and, again, more coding information. The coding is done through Scratch, which is a MIT application developed at that university that we subscribe to and use as well. The kids will start making little basic Google animations, having things move around, and it eventually develops into more of a video game design, web-based content they'll be working on. Typing is a skill that students will need wherever they move to in the world in this technology age, and it becomes more and more important to have adequate typing abilities. So we will do this. There'll be 5 assessments throughout the year where the students will have goals set for how fast and accurate they need to type, and they will have an unlimited number of attempts to get to that benchmark goal that we've set for ourselves there. That is the basic outline for what technology class will be. If you have any additional questions, comments, concerns, you can please email me here at school or call, and I'll get back to you when I can. Have a great rest of your parent night, and I very much anticipate teaching your students this year.